Alright, what's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video on this baby right here. Today I will be showing you guys how to replace your fog lights. Not the fog light bulb, the fog light itself. Here in this box, I have the both left and right fog light. The reason for this is because my fog lights are currently disgusting. As y'all can see, very nasty. So I'm gonna change that up with these eBay ones. Same exact ones. So first thing I'm gonna do is remove the wheels. I gotta loosen the wheels and then mount the car up on that little 2x4 and then start jacking it up to take off the wheels. I'll time lapse everything. Alright guys, so remember safety first. Emergency brake, and you can put anything there, it doesn't have to be a weight. Just something to stop it from rolling back in case it does. Now I can finish finally taking off the wheels. Alright guys, so there's a screw. I'm on the right side, I'm on the passenger side right now. Where the wheel's supposed to be. Tire. Screw here, gotta unscrew 8mm, 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 8mm. All 8, and then this one is not an 8. I forget this one, I think it's a 10 maybe. Something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then so I'm gonna try and do it without unscrewing that one. However, there's one down here. I don't know if it's holding against the next like I was saying. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo this one. Now let's see if it comes out. So as y'all can see, that's where the fog light is. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna take that. I'm just gonna take that bolt off just to make it easier for me. I knew something was holding it, and it's this bolt right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew that one as well. Okay, so now see how much smoother it comes out, but it's still not completely off, which is this plug right there. Take it off, pinch on both sides. Oh no, just on one side. Ah, there you go. Yeah, it only has it on this side. So now, everything off on the bottom. So last thing holding it back is that bolt. Another 8mm. How much easier it came off. My goodness. Okay. Leave that there. Now we have complete access to the fog light. So first thing I'm going to do is obviously unplug everything that's connected to this fog light. For example, this right here. You have OEM bulbs. They may look different. I changed them for like LED bright white ones. Has 2 clips on the side. And just pull out like that. And then this top section, it'll turn left, so counterclockwise, and then pull out. Don't touch the bulb itself because the grease will affect it negatively. And, your bulb is free. I'm gonna go ahead and put this away and then I'll be back. So if I'm not mistaken, I think it's only held on by this and that. I'm sure this also has something to do with it. And this up here. So as I go, I will keep you guys updated. Okay, so there's another 8mm screw right there. Looks like I'm going to have to remove the front bumper, which is what I didn't want to do. So let's get into it. Next thing after that, there's these screws up here, and these should also be 8mm. 1, 2. This is what holds the bumper to the fender right here. Next thing, I'm under the car now in the front. I had to take out these 2 screws. There's this baby comes off. Next, I'm gonna come around here. Unscrew 1, 2. Alright, so I got this whole inner fender out. Next thing, I think it's a 227. 4, 2, 3, 4. Oh, the last thing is actually these window washers. Alright guys, so to take this thing out, you're gonna pull it out and then grab it from the black part and then push this gray tab up on both sides. Alright, so this is the one screw that I couldn't get to because it was like pinched in between everything. But this is just when it comes off. And now fog light comes out finally. And that's how you're moving. So I'm gonna do the same thing on that side. And then alright, so this is a side-by-side comparison of the old one to the new. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off now. Ready? Alright, so it's coming like this. And then there we go. And so y'all should hear that click. That's how you know it's snapping in place. And then, yeah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and screw these on. I already have my own fog lights, so I'm gonna take these off. I'm gonna sell these. If anybody wants them, comment down below. And then I'm gonna put on my old ones. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna finish screwing this one in. I'll time lapse that for you guys, and then I'll get to the next one. so I just finished putting in the new fog light. So now I'm gonna put the fog light bulb. There you go. I was locking up place. Alright, so that's how y'all put fog light things. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back on, the front bumper, all that stuff. Don't forget to plug in your fog lights to the old, not the old, but the, where you're supposed to put them in. Plug them in there, and then, yeah, screw everything back on. T27s, fender bumper, fender to bumper, the inner fenders, and then your tires, obviously. I'm gonna time lapse all of it, because I've already shown you guys what to unscrew, so y'all should know what to screw. So, yeah. Alright, y'all, so this is what the new fog lights look like. They make the headlights look outdated. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on now. Turn it on, y'all. This is the final product. Pause that, please. Damn. Now I gotta upgrade the headlights to the M4 style ones. Damn, they look way clearer now, bro. They actually look bright white now. That's crazy.
So you get the
and then once I get the headlights, then it'll.
Do you keep that orange light? Does it stay orange?
Oh yeah, that's an emergency light. It has to stay orange. Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed. That's how you replace your fog light bulbs. It took about 2.5 hours. So yeah, I'll show you how to do the headlights and when I get them, whenever that is. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.